Hi guys, you are watching OIT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we will talk about the advanced feature of file searching. Let's say if you have a lot of files in your office computer or home computer and you are forgotten where it is, so you can obviously you can find it through the manual method. You have to just go onto the this PC and then you have to type the file name over here or extension over here, but it is so much time consuming and sometimes frustrating, so you need some advanced method. I have found a very important tool, very good tool that will save your time and give you file instantly. Let me show you. So tool name is everything. Just you have to type onto the Chrome browser everything and you will have a first link, then you have to click on that and then you will have an installer. So little scroll down it and you have a installer. Just click on that, it will be downloaded instantly. Pretty much lightweight application. Once you double click on it, it will go towards the installation process. So click on to the OK, I agree, next, next, install, and here it is. Yes. So it will give you instant result as compared to the manual method. Let's say I have a file like IIS crypto, which is regarding the cybersecurity. IIS crypto, so you can see that how fast it is. So you can search any file, you can search extension.pdf, you can search any file name, it will give you instant result as compared to the manual method. So this, I love this application, and I'm also using this application in my office and in my home as well. So this is the fantastic application. You can save your tons and tons of time. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. If you like this video, kindly mention in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.